Welcome dear students, class 9 mathematics 1. Chapter 1 sets. Part 4 operations on sets. Let us learn intersection of two sets. Suppose A and B are the two sets, then set of all common elements of set A and B is said to be intersection of set A and B. It is denoted by and is read as A intersection B. Therefore, A intersection B is the set of all x such that x belongs to A as well as x belongs to B. Let us study few examples. Example 1. A is set of 1, 3, 5, 7 and B is set of 2, 3, 6, 8. Let us draw a Venn diagram. The element 3 is common between set A and set B. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to curly bracket open 3 curly bracket close, and we can observe through this Venn diagram the set of intersection of A and B consists of 3. Let's study example 2. Set A is the set of 1, 3, 9, 11, 30 and set B is the set of 1, 9, 11. Therefore, A intersection B is 1, 9, 11. We observe here set B is also set of 1, 9, 11. Therefore, set A intersection B is equal to B. Here, we say that set B is the subset of A. A intersection B is equal to B. When A intersection B is B, then B is subset of A. Always remember.
1. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. 2. If A is subset of B, then A intersection B is equal to A. 3. If A intersection B is equal to B, then B is subset of A. 4. A intersection B is subset of A and A intersection B is subset of B as well. 5. A intersection of complement of A is always empty set. 6. A intersection of A is always set A. 7. A intersection empty set is always empty set.
Here we learn disjoint set. Let's see, set A is the set of 1, 3, 5, 9 and B is the set of 2, 4, 8. Let us draw a Venn diagram. From the Venn diagram, we confirm there is not a single element common in either of the set A and B. Therefore, we say that set A is completely different from that of set B and set B is completely different from that of set A. In this case, we say that set A is disjoint set of B or set B is disjoint set of A. From this, we define disjoint set as a set is called disjoint set if it has no element common at all in them. Dear students, here are few activities given to you. Let us solve some of them.
Activity 1. Observe set A, B, C given by Venn diagram and write which of these are disjoint set. A is equal to curly bracket open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 curly bracket close. B is equal to 3, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, curly bracket close. C is equal to curly bracket open 10, 11, 12, curly bracket close. From the Venn diagram, we observe there are no common elements in set A and set C. Hence, they are disjoint sets.
The next is union of two sets. Let A and B are the two sets. All elements of set A and B together called as union of set A and B. Symbolically, it is denoted as and read as A union B. Therefore, A union B is the set of all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Let's discuss few of the examples. Example 1. Observe here this Venn diagram. We observe set A is the set of -1, -3, -5 and 0. While that of set B is the set of 0, 3, 5. Therefore, set A union B is equal to -3, -5, 0, -1, 3 and 5. Here is the another example. Observe this Venn diagram. Write the different sets given here with the listing method.
U is the universal set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Set A is equal to open curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 close curly bracket. Set B is equal to open curly bracket 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10 close curly bracket. Set A union B is equal to open curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 close curly bracket. Set A intersection B is equal to open curly bracket 8, 10 close curly bracket. Complement of A is equal to open curly bracket 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12 close curly bracket. Complement of B is equal to open curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 9, 11, 12 close curly bracket. Complement of A union B is equal to curly bracket open 9, 11, 12 curly bracket close. And complement of A intersection B is equal to open curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12 close curly bracket.
Dear students, now here we will discuss example number 3. In this example, from the Venn diagram, we observe that set A is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, while set B is the set of 2 and 3. Let us draw a Venn diagram such that A union B. Now observe set A union B. We find that B is subset of A. Therefore, A union B is equal to A. Always remember the properties of union of the sets.
1. A union B is equal to B union A. 2. If A is subset of B, then A union B is always equal to B. 3. When A is subset of A union B, then B is subset of A union B. 4. A union complement of A is always universal set. A union A is equal to set A itself. 6. A union empty set is equal to set A.
Dear students, let's learn number of elements in a set. It is also called as cardinal number of a set. The number of distinct finite elements present in the set is called as cardinal number of set, and it can be represented as set A is set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, cardinal number of set A is 7. since there are 7 distinct elements in the set A. Let us study how much we understood by solving practice set 1.4.
Practice set 1.4. Question 1. If number of elements in set A is equal to 15, number of elements in set A union B is equal to 29, number of elements in A intersection B is equal to 7, then find out number of elements in set B. Solution. Number of elements in set A union B is equal to number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus number of elements in set A intersection B. Therefore, number of elements in set B is equal to number of elements in set A union B minus number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set A intersection B. That is 29 minus 15 plus 7 is equal to 21. Question 3. In a competitive exam, 50 students passed in English, 60 students passed in mathematics, 40 students passed in both the subjects. None of them failed in both of the subjects. Find the number of elements who passed at least in one of the subjects. Solution. Let P be the number of students passed in English. Let Q be the number of students passed in mathematics. Therefore, number of elements in set P is equal to 50. Number of elements in set Q is equal to 60. Number of elements in set P intersection Q is equal to 40. Number of element complement P intersection complement Q is equal to 0. Number of elements in set P union Q is equal to number of elements in set P plus number of elements in set Q minus number of elements in set P intersection Q. That is equal to 50 plus 60 minus 40 is equal to 70. Hence, the number of students who passed at least in one of the subjects are 70. Question 5. Observe the given Venn diagram and write the following sets. In the given Venn diagram, set A is equal to open curly bracket x, y, z, m, n close curly bracket. Set B is equal to open curly bracket p, r, q, m, n curly bracket close. 3. Set A union B is equal to curly bracket open x, y, z, m, n, p, r, q curly bracket close. 4. Universal set U is equal to open curly bracket x, y, z, m, n, p, r, q, s, t curly bracket close. 5. Complement of set A is equal to open curly bracket p, r, q, s, t curly bracket close. 6. Complement of set B is equal to open curly bracket x, y, z, s, t curly bracket close. 7. Set A union P's complement is equal to open curly bracket s, r close curly bracket. Problem set 1. Question 3. Out of 100 persons in a group, 72 persons speak English and 43 persons speak French. Each one out of 100 persons speak at least one language. Then how many speak only English? How many speak only French? How many of them speak English and French both? Solution. Let U be the set representing the group. Total number of students in group is 100. Hence, number of elements in U is 100. Let A be the set of persons speak English. Let B be the set of persons speak French. Number of elements in A is equal to 72. Number of elements in set B is equal to 43. As per given, each one out of 100% speak at least one of the language. Therefore, number of A complement intersection B complement is equal to 0. That is, number of set A union B is equal to number of universal set is equal to 100. To find out how many students speak only English, that is, number of set A intersection complement of B, we will use here formula number of elements in set A union B is equal to number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus number of elements in set A intersection set B. That is 100 is equal to 72 plus 43 minus number of elements in set A intersection set B. Therefore, number of elements in set A intersection B is equal to 72 plus 43 minus 100, that is equal to 15. Here we will use the Venn diagram and we can formulate number of elements A intersection complement of B is equal to number of element in A minus number of element A intersection B. That is 72 minus 15 is equal to 57. Therefore, we can say 57 students speak only English. Similarly, elements in the set B intersection complement of A is equal to number of elements in set B minus number of element in set A intersection B, that is equal to 43 minus 15 equal to 28. Here we say that 28 persons speak only French. Therefore, number of elements in set A intersection B is equal to 15. Therefore, 15 people speak English and French both.
We will continue with the next part of mathematics. Till then, complete your work. Thank you very much.